Hi, everybody. We're doing Algebra IXL. It's properties of equality. This is in the H section on properties, and I haven't even seen this section yet, so we're going to be a surprise for me. It's H.4, properties of equality. So here it is. Let's see what we've got. Oh, so they added Q to both sides of an equation, and that is the addition property of equality. In this one, they added negative 83 to both sides. And again, it's the addition property of equality, even though it's the same as subtracting 83, but they actually added negative 83. So it's the addition property of equality. This one, they added 2 to both sides. That's all they did. Addition property of equality. Okay. Boy. Let's see if they give us something more interesting now. Oh, here we go. They divided by negative 8, so they're using the division property of equality. Duh. Let's see. In this one, they are, what did they do? Oh, they added negative 93 to both sides. That's the addition property of equality. They divided by negative 87 on both sides. That's division. This time they subtracted s from both sides, which is the subtraction property of equality. Basically, you can do whatever you want to both sides of an equation. They divided by k. They're actually supposed to put in the constraint that k can never be equal to 0, but they used the division property of equality and divided by k on both sides. Divided by k. And this time they subtracted d from both sides. That's the subtraction property of equality. And this one's going to go quick. That's nice. They divided by d. That's the division property of equality. Again, somewhere in here, they should have written d is not equal to 0 because you're not allowed to divide by 0. So that's the division property of equality. They subtracted g, so they're doing subtraction. Boy, they want to make absolutely sure you know your properties of equality. That is subtraction property of equality. It's pretty obvious if you really are looking for it. Let's see. Not very well disguised. They added k to both sides and used the commutative property of addition. Looks like they subtracted r. I guess they're trying to trick people by putting a division in there. Maybe they thought that would trick you. Well, this one they actually divided by v, and of course v is not 0. And we're getting there, almost done. This one's going to go quick. They added z to both sides, which is the addition property of equality. And they added z again to both sides. They added q to both sides. That's the addition property of equality. And they added 71 to both sides. And the last one, they multiplied by 20 on both sides. Oh, they finally gave us a multiplication property of equality. And we're all done. Nice, easy one. Hope you got it because that's a really good thing to know, the properties of equality. Bye.